My name is Sartaj Gul. I support PTI. Imran Khan is my leader and I wish to serve for the people of Pakistan. This is not my real video, but I will tell you interesting facts about my nature that may be true or not. According to SDPU model of human nature, my code is SAFP. My abstract subjective sense allows me to see through the scan, take an X-ray of what is happening around me and predict the future very easily because I feel for people's rights and problems as well as their future welfare. I'm private, compassionate, idealistic, reserved, deep, thoughtful, intuitive, imaginative, visionary, introspective, organized, planned, humanist, forward-thinking, sensitive, caring, passionate, loner, kind, compassionate, and devoted. If there is something wrong with the situation or if there is a conflict between two groups that could have bad effects on people's lives, then I become sad.